Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 Fiber Optica OlT Epon. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Epon OLT 4.1G 7 dB 8 dB 9 dB with 256 users. Specifications: brand name, OpFocus. Size, 300 by 440 by 44. 5 mm. Fiber type, single mode. Connector type, SC/APC. Item length, 1 meter. Model number, OF3504S. Origin, Mainland China. Certification, CE. The item number 4 is IOSO Factory Mini 4.Epon OLT FTTH 4-port compatible. Specifications: brand name, IOSO. Fiber type, single mode. Connector type, SC/UPC. Model number, HA7304. Ports, 4-PON. Uplink, 2G RH45 plus 2G SFP. Power, AC 100-240 volts. As the item number 3 we've selected, 1-port-PON OLT 1 to 128 Compatibile G/PON ONU Web SNMP. Specifications: brand name, IOSO. Fiber type, single mode. PON OLT, 1 PON port. Ratio, 1 to 128. Management, web. Power, DC 12V. The item number 2 is IOSO Mini 4.Epon OLT 4-port AC 100-240 volts original. Specifications: brand name, Netfo. Transmission distance, 20 kilometers. Model number, HA7304. Certification, CE. PON ports, 4 SFP PON. Uplink, 2G RJ45 plus 2G SFP. NMS port, NGMT. Power, AC 100-240 volts. On the top of our list at number 1 we have IOSO 2-port-Epon OLT 2-PON Web SNMP CLI compatible Huawei. Specifications: brand name, IOSO. Fiber type, single mode. Connector type, SC/UPC. Model number, HA7302 CST. Origin, Mainland China. Certification, CE, RoHS. Type, Epon OLT. PON ports, 2 SFP slots. Uplink, 2G RJ5. Power, AC 100-240V. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.